This narration from Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha recounts an incident when Prophet Mohammad S.A.W. was sleeping, and during his sleep he started smiling. When he woke up, Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha asked him the reason for his laughter, and he explained that some individuals from his ummah would plan to attack the Kaaba, seeking refuge inside it. The Prophet ﷺ mentioned that a person from the Quraysh tribe would eventually capture them when they reached the valley of Bada, and they would be killed. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha then inquired about the varying places where the bodies would be raised after their death, and the Prophet ﷺ clarified that although they would be killed in one location, their bodies would be raised from different places on the Day of Judgment, each according to their intentions. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23639.